play with us a bit. Last look at some of the ones in front of us here, just some of the sort of typical sort of adolescents almost, staying a bit longer and having a bit more fun. Oh, there's still a female actually, sorry. Not just adolescents, no disrespect meant. And then the last two here in front of us. Let's just see if they're going to walk past as well. That one carefully wading into the mud there. That one is maybe a little bit afraid of water. Maybe it's from the desert originally. A very careful attempt as opposed to some of those ones that were literally wallowing around in it earlier. The last one playing around there, you can see the older one being a bit of a more funning around really, trying to push the other one into the mud.
They're coming out across the track line. Heading south, so it might be behind I don't know.
Sure, they're going to do a bit of catch up now. The rest of the herd have moved on a little bit, so. Look at this one in the back. Just as the last of these elephants are disappearing, question coming through from Liz, coming through from Liz in New York. Just wondering how many elephants typically are in a herd. Liz, that can vary a great deal depending on the area in and circumstances of things like, you know, water and food and so on. But typically in this area, anything between 8 to up to about 25, 30 elephants would be average herd. Then you can get these mega herds, but they're normally made up out of many different herds that are joined together. So you might find, you know, I've seen herds of 3, 4, 500 elephants, but then that's still made up out of you know, herds of 10, 20, 30 individuals with a matriarch, and they're all just hanging around together. So you'll have different matriarchs within the larger group, but there would also be a social structure within the larger herd itself. So one matriarch might be higher than another matriarch because maybe it's her daughter from long ago, or they know each other quite well. So there's a large variation in it, but typically I'd say anything from about, let's say about 5, 6 animals up to about 30. That would be an average herd for these parts. I think with these elephants disappearing and the sun that's down, we're going to take our break as well. Just going to stretch our legs. I'm going to quickly say how's it to Charles up here, and we'll see you guys back with us in the vehicle in the next 10 minutes or so. Thank you very much. I'm very, very happy we made it here. It was an awesome elephant sighting, and we'll see you back in the vehicle again just now.